Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chocolate bowl. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You will need about 8 ounces of your favorite melting chocolate, some small balloons, and a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Make sure your balloons are clean and inflated to the size you want your bowls to be, typically 3 to 4 inches wide. Also, set up your workspace in a cool, dry area to ensure the chocolate behaves properly. Next, it's time to melt your chocolate. You can use a double boiler or microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval until it's perfectly smooth and glossy. There should be no lumps at all. Once your chocolate is ready, lightly grease the bottom half of each inflated balloon with a tiny bit of neutral oil. This step is crucial for easy removal later, so don't skip it. Now for the fun part, forming your bowls. Carefully dip the greased portion of each balloon into the melted chocolate, ensuring an even coating. You want a nice, consistent layer. After dipping, gently place each chocolate-coated balloon onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Once all your balloons are dipped, transfer the entire tray to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 20 to 30 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once the chocolate is fully set, it's time to reveal your beautiful bowls. Carefully pop each balloon near the knot and slowly peel it away from the hardened chocolate shell. Take your time to avoid cracking the chocolate. If you have any uneven edges, you can gently trim them with a warm knife for a clean, professional finish. These bowls are perfect for desserts or fruit. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.